So if you're thinking to invest in Dubai's real estate market and you're stuck between the crossroads whether to go for an off-plan property or a ready, well, I get it, it's a little tricky, but both these options have their own perks and challenges. So by the end of this video, you'll get a little clearer picture on which one is best for you. First things first though, who is actually looking for an off-plan? Let's kick off things and see what is off-plan properties. Well, these are properties which are still under construction. Now you will wonder, why to go for a property which is still under construction? Well, there's a lot to love about off-plans. And here are some of the advantages for an off-plan. Number one, attractive pricing. Now here's the deal. You're buying a property which is lower than the ready to move in, which means you can snag a great deal before the prices go up. And developers, well, they tend to give you the flexible payment plan options and some special incentives if you're an early buyer. Now that's a score. Capital appreciation potential. Now, as the building progresses, the value for your property increases. In a fast-growing market just like Dubai's real estate market, your investment can appreciate immensely by the time it's ready. Modern amenities. Developers know we want the best of the best. You have your smart home features, you have luxury amenities such as the pools, the gym. You get the picture. By the time it's ready, it'll be top-notch. But of course, there are challenges, just like construction delays. Well, things might get tricky. Delays happen. Well, this might be due to the supply chain or due to the market conditions where things might get pushed back. If you plan to move or rent away immediately, well, I think you will need some patience. Uncertainty in final outcome. Well, you're buying a vision, not a finished product. Developers have detailed plan, but the final outcome may have some changes during the construction. But this is not the case majority of the times, only if you go for projects which are not from the known developer. Now on the flip side, you've gotten a ready property. These are fully constructed, you don't have to wait to rent it out. No construction delays, no surprises, nothing. It's entirely ready. Advantages of ready property. Immediate moving. So there's no waiting around. Property is entirely constructed. If you're looking to earn or generate a ready immediate rental income, then this property is for you. Or if you're planning to move in immediately, ready property is your go-to option. Tangible inspection. One of the best parts about a ready property is that you can walk around and see the property. You can feel and touch and know that you're not getting into any uncertainties. Number three, established community. Most of the ready properties are in a developed neighborhood where you have schools and hospitals which are easily accessible through public transport. That's one of the plus points to a ready property. But there are some downsides. Even for a ready property, there are some challenges such as you're paying in higher initial costs. So here's the catch. You're basically paying higher the price. You're paying for an instant gratification. So it is really important for you to weigh down your budget carefully. Now the other challenge would be mortgages. Now not all of us would opt for entire cash payment. We would go for mortgage as well. For mortgages, you need good clear paperwork, a lot of documentation, and it is quite a process. You're also paying an interest on it. Whereas for an off plan, you can opt for a flexible payment plan. Some developers are also giving you post handover payment plan. So this is another challenge when it comes to a ready property. So which one is better, a ready property or an off plan? Honestly, it depends on your goals. So for an off-plan property, it's ideal for those who are looking for a low entry cost, who are looking for a good flexible payment plan, and who are okay to wait for 4 to 5 years or more than that to get the handover. Now, what this gains you? Capital appreciation, you have good ROE. So all in all, it's ideal for people who can wait and who are looking for a good payment plan and who are looking for a good investment plan. And for a ready property, it's for those who are looking for immediate return. So although you're buying an appreciated value, you are looking to move in very quickly, or you're looking to generate immediate income. So that's ideal for those who are looking for a ready. Not only that, who are looking for an established community or a market. Now this will cost you a little higher than the off plan, where your payment will also be a little rigid. Making a smart investment in Dubai is all about understanding what you need. Are you in it for all the excitement of off-plan potential in terms of return, in terms of good capital appreciation, or you're looking for something in terms of stability or immediate return, such as for a ready property? Either way, knowing what you're getting into is the key. So do your research, and if you want to know more and want to know which is more ideal for you, a ready or an off-plan project, then contact me on the number given below and I will catch you back in the next video.